So the next question is, if it is georeferenced, how do we know it's georeferenced correctly? And I think the easiest way to do this is to use this really nice feature. You click on this, which looks like a sleeping eye, and it turns on a visualization of all the georeferencing data. And this feature came out a couple versions ago, but I think it's so great to explain georeferencing in this visual way. So when you create a 3D model, there is a 0, 0, 0 point somewhere in there. And it's possible that those 0, 0, 0 points reflect directly to the eastings and northings on your coordinate system. And at the same time, it's also possible that they don't reflect the eastings and northings of your coordinate system. And there is a conversion between them, or a mapping, or some sort of false origin that is created. Whatever the details are, this visualization will show you what the coordinates are. So all you have to do to know whether you've done something correctly is pick a point, and I can move the 3D cursor around. I've got some snaps on, so I'm snapping at the very center of the model. And you go to the georeferencing calculator, and you click the button, and I've snapped it to the base of it, to the top of the cube over there. Let me snap it back to the origin. And it's telling me that this point in map coordinates, so map is my georeference coordinates, easting, northings, and orthogonal height, is 0, 0, 0. And if I move and sample another point over here, let's say I'll just roughly go 1, 2, 3. Actually, let's do this properly, shall we? Let's draw a nice wall. Draw a wall, draw a 5-meter long wall there. And if I sample that point over there in eastings and northings is an easting of 5, a northing of 0, and orthogonal height of 0. So if you know some eastings and northings on your site, all you have to do is sample the point over there, press the calculator, and see if that comes up with the eastings and northings that you expect. If they do, then it's correctly georeferenced. If they don't, it's not correctly georeferenced. So let's put that into practice.